In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit Google Forms responses and have them close automatically. This is a handy feature when you only want a certain number of responses or need the form to be accessible for a specific period. Let's walk through the steps together to help streamline your form management process, ensuring you never have to worry about excess responses or leaving forms open longer than intended. First, open up your internet browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can easily find it by typing Google Forms into your search engine of choice. Once you're there, either open an existing form or start a new one. If you're creating a new form, go ahead and give it a proper title and add in the questions you need. Setting the limits for responses is applicable regardless of whether your form is new or old. Now, once you have your form ready, the next step is to install an add-on that allows you to limit responses. In Google Forms, you'll notice a three-dot icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear where you should find an option labeled Add-ons. Click on this to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, you'll find numerous add-ons to choose from, but the one we're focused on today is called Form Limiter. In the search bar, type Form Limiter and hit Enter. Click on the Form Limiter option when it shows up, then on the blue Install button to add it to your Google Forms. Follow the prompts to grant any necessary permissions. This is just a typical step to allow the add-on to function properly. Once Form Limiter is installed, navigate back to your form. You will see a small puzzle piece icon. This indicates your add-ons. Click on this icon, and you'll see Form Limiter as an available option. Select it to begin limiting responses. A sidebar will appear that allows you to set your limits. You can choose to set a specific end date and time, or you can limit the form to a certain number of responses. Go ahead and set whichever criteria best fits your needs. Don't forget, once you've set your limits, to click the Save and Enable button within the Form Limiter sidebar. This ensures that your form will automatically adhere to your specified parameters. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your form to make sure everything looks and acts the way you intended. Send it to a few colleagues or test it yourself. This check ensures that when it's live, it functions seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to limit responses and set up automatic closing for your Google Forms, making your data collection process much more efficient and under control. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form creating.